Annabelle was a cheerful child whose favorite thing in the world was baking. She loved to dust flour on her nose and try new recipes in Grandma's warm kitchen. On one sunny afternoon, Annabelle decided today was the day she would bake the yummiest cake ever. She tied on her spotty apron, rolled up her sleeves, and set out her ingredients. The flour was as soft as a snowdrift, and the sugar sparkled like tiny stars. There were golden eggs, fresh milk, and butter soft enough to squish between her fingers. Annabelle placed her big mixing bowl on the table and reached for her wooden spoon. "First, we mix," she declared excitedly. She scooped and poured, measuring each part very carefully, just as Grandma had taught her. Round and round went the spoon, swishing, swirling, swooping, until the batter shone smooth and creamy like a milky river. She licked the spoon when Grandma wasn't watching, giggling to herself. Next came the pouring. Glug, 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 sang Annabelle as she tipped the batter into the cake tin, trying her best not to spill even a drop. Annabelle gazed at the bowl and wondered, "Can I eat the cake now?" Just then, Grandma peeked over with a twinkle in her eye. "Not yet, little baker. Cakes need time and a pinch of patience." Annabelle nodded bravely. She placed the cake tin in the oven and, with Grandma's help, closed the door tight. Click, went the oven. Tick-tock, tick-tock, whispered the kitchen clock, making each second feel longer and longer. While the cake baked, Annabelle found waiting very hard. She tapped her toes and peeked through the oven window, her nose pressed right up to the glass. She sniffed the sweet, warm air. "Smells good already," she said, bouncing on her tiptoes. "I want it now," Annabelle sighed. Grandma smiled kindly and said, "If we rush, the cake will be gooey inside. If we wait, it will be warm, fluffy, and just right." Annabelle took a big breath. "I suppose I'll wait," she said, though it was very hard. She washed her hands so they sparkled. She wiped the table until it shone and even swept up the flour she'd sprinkled onto the floor. She counted slowly, 1, 2, 3, and onwards, until she almost lost count. At last, ding! The oven bell rang. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!